If you are looking for a free AI that can code like GPT or Claude, then you are going to love this. Because right now there is a new model called GLM 5.1 and it is already ranked among the top AI models in the world, top 3 globally and number 1 open source model. And the crazy part is you can use this level of AI power completely for free. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to access GLM 5.1 for free, how to set it up in your coding tools, and then we will test its real power by building something from scratch, just using a single prompt. Let's see if this free AI can really compete with GPT and Claude. So now let's test it and use it and access free API keys. So to test and use this GLM 5.1, for that I will show you two methods that you can access and chat with this. The first method is just move to the Hugging Face and there you can chat with GLM 5.1. But we want to get free API keys to just write our own code, projects and fix bugs. So for that move to the model.com and here you will see at the start notification also GLM 5.1 is available to try on model. After coming here, press this button. Okay, before you should create your account and model. I have already created the account. Press this get started. After that, you will move to this page. And here you can see this getting started. Some code like the base URL and also the model. And here you can generate the token also on left side. Just simply create token so you can create a token easily. I have already created a token by the name of GLM 5.1 and this is the base URL and here we can use access through this model. Now let's set it up inside VS Code. Later we will create a project also, a simple game that I showed you at the start. Come here to the VS Code and this is an empty folder that I have opened inside VS Code editor. After that you can use an agent like Kilo Code, Open Code, Client or Raw Code, but I will use Raw Code to show you how to access that. After coming to the row code, move to the setting area and here move to the providers and show you. So for the provider, API provider, for this we can select OpenAI compatible. Here are list of providers that you can select one of them, but we will select simply search here OpenAI compatible. Look at this, select this. After selecting this, now we will move to the base URL. For the base URL, come here to the model website and here you will see until this version 1 just copy this area of base URL. So control C it, come here to the VS Code and paste that here simply like this. After pasting that to the API key, create your API key here. After creating copy instantly at that time, copy your API key. Later you cannot copy that. So after copying that, I have already copied this. Simply I will copy that. Let's control C it. I'm here to the VS Code and paste it here. I will remove this and paste that here. After pasting that for the model, so to set up the model, come here back to the model website and here you can see model Z org GLM 5.1 FP8. Copy this model name, come here back and instead of this you can simply paste that like sorry. Control C that and paste that here like this. Select that. So this is your model. After setting up these provider, base URL, OPI key and model, press save button so it will save your settings. After saving that, let's go back now and we will start our coding. Here you can select your model, simply press default. The default one is GLM 5.1 FP8. This one. This is the default one. Now let's start coding. Okay, for example, simply first I will send a message hi. Later we will generate a game also just using a single statement, a single prompt to generate a shooter game. So it is thinking, hello, your workspace, your game is currently empty. What should you like to build or work on? Okay, the folder name was shooter game. So it says your folder is empty. What you would like to create? So it says create a new shooter game project from scratch. Like it is just suggesting me something like this. Excellent. But I will just write my own prompt. Create a single file HTML space shooter game using Canvas API. Write your prompts in detail. I wrote just a single statement. If you write in detail, it will understand more on your prompt and on what you want. Simply press enter, so it will start generating your shooter game. So it might ask you that I would like to create HTML file, just approve that, and it will create our shooter game. Let's check that. Yeah, create a single file. That's it. It is thinking. It will start now just in a second. Yeah, it is creating a single HTML file now. It says, do you want to do this? Okay, create HTML file. Yes, approve that. And it will start now implementing the game. So the coding started. Okay, it has created index.html file and it started coding. Now it will write the whole project, whole code for us. Then we will check it later. The code has been generated. This is the text file, HTML file that you can see how many lines. Just continually around 1,000 lines. Now let's check that. Okay, simply come here to the code, right click and or reveal in file explorer. Now let's run this. So look at this is space shooter. So it says press space to start. Simply press space. Look at, you can just use arrow key to edit this. Yeah, how amazing this is. Look at, save ourselves. So it is the game that we just created. The game over, and the total score was 170, new higher. So this was the uh, game that we generated using GLM 5.1. It is just competing with top models. You can see the benchmark. Look at, it is competing with ChatGPT and Anthropic models, but ahead from other models like Gemini 3.1, Queen 3.6 plus, Minimax, Kimi. So it was all about the test and the API key. You can also access it using OpenRouter and others, and also Zit, its own official website, Zit.ai. So I showed you these two methods. So it was all about this. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video and also leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to coding and AI. Thanks for watching.